Hey folks, welcome back to Patdees, the Traveling Pickers channel. I do appreciate you guys being here and supporting me. If you guys could do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. But I've been listing a lot lately on eBay. If you watch my last video, I talk about February was actually the slowest month I had in 2 years, and I really thought it was time to honestly just look at myself and see what I can improve. And big thing is just get stuff listed. As I was doing some listings, and I have a pile here, this is all clothes that I just went over and listed and stuff here. I'm looking, and as you guys can see, I have myself on small, and I have my eBay seller hub, and I look at the bottom of the page, and I never noticed this before. And I'm not sure if anyone's ever done a video about this, but it said identifies sourcing opportunities. I'm like, well, what's that? So let's dig into that and let's see what that's all about, and maybe that can help you, because I looked at it a little bit. I think there's some good information there. So let's check it out. Okay, you'll notice I'm on my page, Overview eBay Seller Hub. And on the bottom of this is research, optimize your listings with Terapeak Insights, identifying sourcing opportunities. And, we all think that, hey, we know where to buy things at a lot of times, the store, garage sales, Goodwill, Salvation Army, flea markets and stuff. But what's really important, I think, in what is selling. And I didn't know what I was going to click on when I found this, and I thought, wow, identifying sourcing opportunities, what is that? And I thought it was going to give me, well, go to a yard sale, go to a garage sale, and I was hesitant to click on it. I said, well, let me click on it. So let's click on it, and I only looked at it for about 4 or 5 minutes, and I said to myself, you know what, I'm going to make a video out of this. I have never seen anyone make a video about this. Obviously, it's probably been done before, but I thought, hey, maybe this is a great information for somebody that's selling on eBay and doesn't know it's there, hasn't played around with the platform and seen this information. I've been on since 1998, and I never noticed it. But I don't pretend to know everything about eBay, and I used to be a part-time seller, now I became a full-time reseller approximately 3 years ago. The last 2 years, I was heavy into selling on Amazon, realizing, though, that I need to really get more focused on eBay just because the margins are better, there's less restrictions, there's more opportunity, the profits can be much better, and at the end of the day, people who are watching this and learning and wanting to resell, it's much easier for anybody to sell on eBay than it is for Amazon. Amazon requires a lot, there's a lot of rules, and, setting up a business, and you can be gated, and then sometimes there could be things that you sell that a week later they could say, now you can't sell it. So there's a lot of issues with selling on Amazon. So we're just going to talk about eBay today in this. So let's click this on identifying sourcing opportunities, which I thought was pretty interesting. I quick glanced over it, and it basically tells you what some good opportunities are, what great opportunities are, and there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 categories. And if you notice, it says the search volume and the active listings and the search to listings ratio and the sell-through rate. So I found that, wow. So basically, people are searching 16 million and all this data, and I was just going to ask, I wonder if this is 90-day data or if this is the past year. So it says here, all data, and it's the top opportunities first. All data is from the last 30 days. So that means in the last 30 days on eBay, I'm going to round up, 16.3 million searches for action figures, and 6.2, and the sell-through rate is 9%. So let's dig in. Action figures. We know what action figures are, but here it shows you, like for example, action figure Hasbro G.I. Joe, 38 million impressions and 53,700 active listings with an average sale of $41.65, and it's got close to a 20% sell-through rate. That's good. So you got Spider-Man, you got He-Man. So it's neat to kind of dig in and really see what the top action figures are and what they're selling and what the average price is. Now let me move myself. I have my camera so you could see that, and that was the top one. So save category, okay, explore item specifics, action figures. So as far as action figure, 2 billion impressions, 4.6 million listings, 10% sell-through rate, 42.54. So it's good to kind of dig in to some. Oh, this is neat too. Now you can. Wow, I just saw something. Look at this. I'm gonna move me up here. You see that? You can actually tell the total sales. Wow. So in the last 30 days, this Star Wars vintage figure sold. Oh well, there was only one on that one, $10,000. Okay, so let's go more to like here, 47 of this, and it was 7,000. Yeah, there's a couple one-offs here that are probably really collector's items. 597 of the Disney, but it's good to really dig in. I don't want to focus on any one thing real long because I want to keep the video short. I mean, the average person only watches 7 or 8 minutes, so I don't want to be real long here in the video. But look, Afghans and throw blankets, good opportunity. Search volume, active listings, sell-through rate, good opportunity. Alarm clocks and clock radios, athletic shoes. We know that that's usually pretty good. Almost 17 million searches with 2.6 million listings, and sell-through rate about 11%. Athletic shoes for women. It says it's a great opportunity because, and I think why? Because the search volume is 3 million. Yeah, and active listings are not as many on women's shoes, so maybe there's more opportunity in women's than it does appear. It appears for some reason the category has a higher search to listing ratio and sell-through rate than women's shoes. I wonder, let's click men's shoes though and see the top listings. Wow. Adidas Grand Court shoes men's sold almost 6,000 pairs of shoes at $32 for $279,000. That's pretty a lot of money. 179 pairs of these Jordan shoes, $42,000. So it's really, I didn't even know this stuff was here. I think it's a great tool to look in to give you opportunities to look for things that are for sale and what they sell for. Blankets, good opportunity. Bookends, Says good opportunity. Blankets, 9.6 sell-through rate. Boots, 10%. Bowls, let's see, 4.7. So I don't know if you guys have seen this before or not, but we're the top Terapeak sourcing insights. So action figures, Afghans and throw blankets, alarm clocks, clock radios, athletic shoes, men's and women, audio tapes, blankets, bookends, bowls, and boots. Now this is A and B. Is there more? Is there? Now I'm curious on because. Oh yeah. Here it is. Okay, yeah. Look at that. See, I'm learning this as we're gonna click on 50. You know what I noticed was that was like in alphabetical order. And I thought, come on. So let's kind of go through this real quick. Calculators. Whoa, good opportunity. 16% sale through rate. Cassettes, 3.7%. Clothes hangers, 6.3%. Cordless drills, 17%. Earplugs, 9%. Now it says great opportunity electronic games, 7.8%. Energy drinks, wow, 13%. That surprises me. People buy energy drinks on eBay. Extension cords, 6. Oh, that's the devil there. 6.66. Fast food and cereal premiums. Those are the toys and stuff. Frames, ink cartridges, 12.3%. Lanterns. It says magazines are a great opportunity, 3.3%. Magazines, 4.4%. Mask and eye mask. Men's fragrances, 11% sell-through rate. NASA Olympics, silver other baby feed, sell-through fee, other baby feeding. Let's see what's in there. What's other mean? Oh, I haven't sold enough items in order. Oh, okay. So I wonder if I have to pay for that. That's weird. Okay, so there I'm learning that too. Okay, that's fine. Books. Wow, look at that. That's interesting. 61 million listings, but books are very low. And that's, our friend Mel in Australia sells a lot of books, but here in the United States, look at that. Very low. Books sell-through rate is less than 2%. That doesn't not very encouraging for books. Collectible game cards, 9%. Cell phones, almost 20% sell-through. Comics, 5%. Contemporary manufacturer, 7%. Dolls, and I wonder if I have to subscribe to Terapeak or, like I said, this is the first time looking at it with you guys. So, dolls playsets, dresses, DVDs is 7%. Golf clubs, women's tops, t-shirts, trading cards, video game consoles is high, 21%. Records, 4%, 12% for video games. Women's handbags, 5.4%. And wristwatches, 5%. So that's pretty much it. That took us all the way. I didn't even realize all that. It's pretty neat. Total sales. See, there's different ways. Let's see. Oh, okay. Table view. So you can look at it this way. If you want to. Instead of looking at like the cards. Sports cards, they say right now there's 42 million active listings but a high search rate, 37.2 million. It's one of the highest that I see, actually. That's why cards do very well. So, all right, guys, I hope that helped. It's something that I didn't know existed on eBay, and check it out. Maybe you find something good opportunity or great opportunity, as they say on some things. And I hope you like this video. If you guys could give me a thumbs up, and appreciate the support. My name is Patdees. My channel is The Traveling Picker, and I'll see you again. Bye.